Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the only channel where we do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Saturn, and on the right, the QIDI Q1 Pro. Buckle up because we're about to get nerdy and funny, like really funny. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk money. The ELEGOO Saturn comes in at a wallet-friendly $352. That's like buying a high-end coffee machine, but way cooler and less caffeinated. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro is priced at $699. Yikes, that's almost double the price. For that amount, you could buy a small island, or at least a really nice inflatable raft. So if you're ballin' on a budget, ELEGOO Saturn is your new best friend. But hey, maybe the QIDI Q1 Pro has some tricks up its sleeve to justify that hefty price tag. Let's find out. Next up, build volume. The ELEGOO Saturn offers a generous 218.88 x 122.88 x 250 cubic millimeters. That's a lot of numbers, but basically it means you can print a replica of your cat in one go. The QIDI Q1 Pro? They didn't specify the exact build volume, but let's just say it's big enough to print your dreams and aspirations, if your dreams are small to medium-sized. So ELEGOO Saturn wins this round for being clear and impressively spacious. Time to talk print quality and speed. The ELEGOO Saturn boasts a 10-inch 12K mono LCD with a stunning resolution of 11,520. That's tech speak for super duper detailed. It also prints at a speed of up to 70 millimeters per hour. The QIDI Q1 Pro, however, comes in hot with dual Z-axis motors and a Core XY system, reaching speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's faster than my morning coffee run, and trust me, I run fast for coffee. So if you're in a rush, QIDI Q1 Pro is your go-to, but for those intricate, fine details, ELEGOO Saturn takes the cake. Let's dive into some unique features. The ELEGOO Saturn has a Fresnel collimating light source, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It ensures uniform light for super accurate prints. It also has a laser-carved build plate for excellent adhesion, because nobody likes their prints falling off halfway through. The QIDI Q1 Pro, on the other hand, has an active heating chamber temperature control system. Fancy, right? It keeps the chamber warm and cozy, perfect for those tricky filaments like ABS and PC. It also has full auto-calibration and filament smart detection, so it's basically the Tesla of 3D printers. And did I mention it has a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring? You can literally watch your print fail in high definition. Just kidding, it's actually super useful for remote monitoring. Now let's talk ease of use. The ELEGOO Saturn comes with VoxelDance Tango software, offering 3 printing modes: static, dynamic, and high speed. It's compatible with third-party software like QIDI and Lychee Slicer. So if you're a software geek, you'll love it. The QIDI Q1 Pro promises you'll be printing within 10 minutes of unboxing. That's faster than assembling an IKEA chair. It's perfect for beginners, and with its mobile app and remote control features, you can print while binge watching your favorite show. Talk about multitasking. In summary, Amazon reviewers praise the ELEGOO Saturn for its user-friendly setup, build quality, and excellent customer service. It's considered one of the best resin printers for under $2,000. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro is appreciated for its quick setup, high print quality, and advanced features, though some users note minor software and hardware issues. So who's the winner? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you want a budget-friendly, detail-oriented printer, the ELEGOO Saturn is your guy. But if you're after speed, high-tech features, and don't mind splurging, the QIDI Q1 Pro is your new best friend. Either way, you're stepping into the future of DIY with these bad boys. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode. Drop your comments below and let us know which 3D printer you'd go for. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.